Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you why you should focus on creating a business instead of doing dropshipping, or instead of focusing on only looking for winning products which are difficult. So let's get started, guys. I receive a lot of emails, a lot of queries for people who want to start a business online, and they also, or the majority, tend to choose dropshipping over creating a business. And this is a mistake, because the success rate in dropshipping is lower than 1%. And one of the disadvantages of dropshipping is the low margin profit. Because in dropshipping, the margin profit tends between 10 to 30%. And if you are so lucky, you're gonna get a dropshipper that you're gonna partner with, and you're gonna have commission or profit margin which is about 40%. This is if you are so lucky, but in the majority of the case it's a bit between 15 to 20%. In my opinion, you should focus on creating a business and creating a brand that's gonna last for a very, very long time, and I'm gonna show you why. If you start drop shipping, it's easy to start because you don't need to hold any inventory or anything. But the best part, you can do, for example, drop shipping by creating your own business, not kind of making a drop shipping store. If the product doesn't work, you're gonna look for another product. No, you're gonna try to focus and choose a niche. For example, you're selling clothes, okay? Try to find a drop shipper who are selling clothes, and you're gonna try to create a business and the brand name about that. And I'm gonna give you now the advantages. The first advantage and the first advice I'm gonna give you now is by creating a brand name. Take for example, my last brand name was called Plaque. Try to choose an English name. It could have no sense. For example, Plaque has no sense. Take for example, GoDaddy, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, they have no sense. But they are short branded name. This is good for consumers who's gonna catch and gonna easily memorize the brand name, and also good for Google and other search engines like Bing. They're gonna rank your website on top of Google, and this way you're gonna have a lot of organic free traffic. And the organic free traffic is an evergreen free traffic, because this is what is gonna put you, or gonna increase your brand awareness, because people gonna trust you. When people try to find something in Google and they're gonna land on your page, this is gonna increase the trust more than the trust that you're gonna use on Facebook ads or on Google ads. That's the first step that you're gonna need to do. Choose a domain name with the brand name which is short, most likely just one keyword, so people can easily memorize it, okay? Not like kind of the best sunglasses for men.com. This is not a branded name. This is a random name. You cannot do that if you only want to sell a winning product. If you find a winning product that's going to last for a couple months, that's good. You can do it. That's not important. But if you want to create a brand that's going to last for years, you're going to be so careful when you choose the brand name. Because if you see most of the successful big companies, they have just one keyword, brand name. This is so important. The second thing, when you choose a supplier, try to add some features or some extra on your product. For example, you are opening a brand name for clothes. For example, this clothes here, it's unbranded. I'm doing it for the video. Don't want to put any brand name here in the video. When you choose a brand, for example, this t-shirt, try to deal with your supplier that they're gonna insert or gonna stick your brand name on the t-shirt, okay? This way you're gonna do some free ads. When people gonna wear your t-shirt, for example, here in just near the beach, people gonna see the logo of your t-shirt, and other people may buy your product. So this is gonna be a free ad for you, and it's gonna also increase the trust for your customers and for the upcoming prospects. The third thing to succeed when you create a brand name is by creating a simple website, not a fancy one with a lot of slider, a lot of animation. This seems like a scammy website. Try to do something easy, something simple. If you can't do it yourself, hire people who are or have the knowledge to create a branded website. This is so important because even the colors are so important. Would you use, for example, blue colors on your website? Would you use a black background? Will you use white background? This is so important, and this is in regard to your business. If you saw, for example, some some expensive brand perfumes, you're gonna see that they always use a black, white, or a black background in their website, because black background in the website, they give some luxury to your website. Okay, and we have this, we specialize in that in Scrowp.com. I'm gonna leave a link in the video description if you are open to create a brand Shopify store for your website. So this is so important. If you can't do it yourself, you can find some stuff online. We have a blog on Scrowp. We have more than 300 blogs you can learn from free. I'm going to leave the link in the video description. We have more than 300 articles from marketing, design, SEO, entrepreneurship, ways to make money online. It's all free, and it's crowded with knowledge that you can get to create your own website. If you want to do it on your own, or if you want to hire us, you will be welcome. Another thing to increase the brand awareness, or to create a sustainable brand, is to creating high quality images and high quality videos. Don't always use the photos from your supplier or the videos from your supplier, because there's going to be something standard that everyone who is doing dropshipping going to use the same photos, but you're going to need to be different from your competitors. Take, for example, those photos and try to use some tools online, free tools or premium tools like Canva, to modify the design of your photos, or to create, for example, videos, kind of reels. Try also to create a YouTube channel, TikTok account, Instagram account, where you're gonna share your reels and your shorts with people. They're gonna attract more customers, and they give you more visibility, and this is gonna increase also your brand awareness toward other people, because now people consume short form videos more than long form videos. The last advice I'm going to give you to create a sustainable business online is to create informative pages. I saw this mistake. A lot of entrepreneurs online, mainly on Shopify, they do this mistake. They just put some products and collection on their online store, but they never put any informative pages. When I say informative pages, I mean some blogs, some articles, some FAQ pages, some pages destined to give information to people, not to directly sell to people. Like we do, for example, on Scrowp.com. We have more than 300 articles posted there to give you information for free, no sales pitch, nothing. If you're interested in hiring us, you will be welcome. If you're not interested, you got the information for free. Try to do the same thing for your business, for your customers, so this is gonna increase the trust for your customers, for the readers, for people who are gonna read the article. They may share the article with their friends and families, and you may get some clients in the future, or some probably also partners in the futures. And while talking about partners, try also to do partnership. This is a bonus for you. Try to partner with people who are, for example, in the same niche as you, not your competitors, but something close to you. You can do some kind of co-marketing. For example, you're gonna post an article for them about their business. They're gonna post an article about you for your business, and within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, you're gonna get a lot of partners that they're gonna recommend you, and people gonna buy your product easily, because when customers come from word of mouth, or they come from recommendation, they are more likely to convert than people coming from paid ads, from Facebook ads or Google ads. So yeah, guys, this video was quick, but I hope I gave you some knowledge in this video. If you like it, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video, guys. Peace.